Let me ask you this. So you saw the price online?
That's correct.
And you're saying you weren't happy with it?
No, because I was looking and there's the same type of vehicle that you guys are selling, and it's almost $10,000 more that you guys are selling it for.
4 times over.
Whoa. All right, here's time number 5.
Hi, Kyle. Deidre is currently unavailable.
That's interesting. So double call. Do you have a fresh lead, or you don't have one?
Let me see.
Fresh. Hey, Deidre, this is Kyle from the dealership. I think we found a vehicle that's going to work for you. Give me a call as soon as you get the chance, please. I promise you're going to be happy you did. Thank you.
The last person guy we had said the same thing, bro.
Hello.
Jose?
Yes.
I'm so glad I got you on the phone. It's Kyle from the Nissan dealership. What kind of car is it? I forgot.
Hey, what's up, Kyle?
The reason I was calling, I want to thank you for going to our website. And are you still driving that Rogue?
That's correct.
Oh, man, I want to buy it. Can you bring it by this afternoon or this evening?
No, I was just curious how much they would give me for it.
Too much.
Not a good deal for me, bro.
We're going to give you too much money. You can throw it up in the air and we'll like dance around it like it's a rap video.
Nah, I'm good, bro.
Let me ask you this. So you saw the price online?
That's correct.
And you're saying you weren't happy with it?
No, because I was looking and there's the same type of vehicle that you guys are selling, and it's almost $10,000 more that you guys are selling it for.
Yeah, I hear you, and totally reasonable. And I wouldn't be calling you if we didn't want to take a look at your Rogue. We need vehicles like yours right now, and that's why I was excited that you still have it. What dealership is this?
Yeah.
This
I
for
still
Lithia?
have it, but
Yeah,
it's not a good deal, bro.
no, it's going to be a good deal. I give you my word as a car salesman. So, yeah, if you could come by and let me take a look at the vehicle, I promise it's going to work out for you. At least then no one's going to be more aggressive on that than we are. I know you saw whatever online, but I wouldn't be calling you if we didn't want it.
I'll think about it, Kyle. I'll let you know.
Yeah, sure. And if you sold your Rogue, what would you end up doing?
Say it again?
If you sold the Rogue, if you were like, hey, the Rogue is the perfect price, what would you end up doing?
Now, I was just trying to get another vehicle where I paid less.
Yeah, no problem. That's what I was asking. Are you going to get another Nissan, or what are you going to get?
That haven't decided yet.
All right, awesome. Last thing. If I gave you a number for your Rogue and you were like, oh my gosh, I love this number, if it was the perfect number, exactly what you were thinking, what would your next step be?
Like that, I'd probably look for another vehicle that I can pay less for.
Okay. So if I give you a number and you're happy with the number, you'd come down?
I'll think about it.
Even if it was the perfect number?
Yep.
All right, I'm going to give you a call back.
There's always a catch on it, bro.
There's no catch. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. You seen that TikTok meme? Yeah, I want to see. How far away do you live from the dealership?
Well, I'm not that far. I'm probably around 30 minutes away.
Yeah, the last thing I'd ever ask you to do is come out here without a reason. Why don't we do this? I'm going to go back. I'm going to take a look at things. Why don't we tentatively set up a time for tonight? And then I'll find some vehicles too that could save you some payment. How much are you paying a month for your vehicle now?
$536, I think it is.
All right. So I'll try and figure out a way to get your payment lower if I can. I'll give you a call back. If everything was perfect, if you were like in love with the deal, would you be able to come out tonight or tomorrow?
Most likely tomorrow.
Okay. Around what time?
Oh, that's a good question, man. Because I work until late. It'll probably be after 6:30.
All right. I'm going to tentatively set you up for 7 o'clock tomorrow. You could swing by here after work. I'm going to text you some stuff. Take a look at it and see. And then do you need another SUV, or would a car work too?
I would prefer the SUV.
Is a two-wheel drive okay?
The car. A what?
Is a two-wheel drive okay?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to send you some options. Worst case, we're only 30 minutes from you. It's going to be worth your time, okay? So I'm going to text you some stuff. I'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Take a look at the link I send you. You see any problems with it, just let me know. I'll text you. You'll have it in writing. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you tomorrow, 7 o'clock, okay?
All right.
All right, so look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Thank you.
All right.
All right, bye. Whew, that was a hard one.
No, you just quick with it. Look what you just did, man.
That is the power.
Please don't tell me somebody hit the oh my God.
I hear an alarm going off. That's so funny.
When they call
The
it,
thing in the back.
yeah, hold the right.
Transform.
Remember last time when I was out for
Oh, it's about traffic. Yeah.
Somebody hit the thing. Oh, we're back.
good.
Oh, you ain't gonna repair yourself?
No, I was like, go back and walk back to like last time I was out for like,
Mo's got one of those. Can you see Mo out there with one of those belts to the hat?
Yep.
it was out like 3
Gotta
days.
do everything myself.
I was out like 3 days last time. I can't have that problem.
They say if you just stand up and
The man.
All right.
If there's a reason we shouldn't do this deal, give me a sign.
Fine. He's paying. No.
All right.
So, we not-
Please have a positive,
First
please.
of all, you get an opportunity. That's why
Yeah.
I look at it. Just get an opportunity to get them in the door because you sell on feet. What you say? You sell on your feet, not on your seat.
Still on your feet. Not on your, no, clothes on
Yeah,
your seat.
seat, not your feet. So basically, you just get the man in the door. I mean, that probably would be one out the yell at later on a fake appointment. But if we follow up with the guy, it could be a real appointment.
Yeah, we just take it as far as we can go. How if 100 people called that guy, how many would have set the appointment? To be honest, I
Nobody.
mean,
No, you kept pushing them. You just
Yeah, you
kept
keep pushing it. So now it's the job is to follow up and get him, push them all the way to the store.
look forward to seeing you at 7 o'clock. Click this link.
At the end of the day, you look at it from bird's eye, saying, "Oh, he got this, he got that," but hell, you don't got a million probably out there $10,000 skill say too. You don't know. We don't know until we get him inside the door. His wife may like the car. His wife say, "You know what? Keep that one.
Yeah.
And we'll buy this one."
Right.
The goal is just to sell the appointment, give us opportunity to get him in the door. I think sometimes we just so focused on us being car guys, we know so damn much of what's going on. It's like, oh, well, he paid $530, he 20 grand inside down.
We can't get them a lawyer.
We don't know.
Right.
We'll never had the opportunity unless to get in the door. So, great job.
Yep.
Get some
Yep.
kind of commitment out of him.
But
But
I
it's
think
our
it-
job is to keep, like I said, that's why I was telling him. That's another confirmed appointment in my book. But
Yeah.
if we keep follow up, keep pushing, you might not give him the door today, you better give him the door tomorrow. But you give him the door, that's still a win.
From New Jersey.
It's that back.
So what I'll do is I'll text him our digital retailing link, and then hey, look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Here's a link with a vehicle that could work. Any problems, just call me. Otherwise, I'll see you at 7.
Yeah.
There's a good chance that guy shows up.
Yeah, but
25%.
I think the problem is with us fighting for that appointment. He say tomorrow. It'll go the next 24 hours, 40 hours, and by then they'll follow it. So by you sending them another attachment, maybe that's what we're missing the boat on.
We got to send the guy a DR link. The DR link takes everything away. You know what I'm talking about by the DR link, Miss Brittany? It's that thing that the car now has. Did you guys switch companies? Do you have digital? You have to have it for 3D Sun, right?
We don't anymore.
All right, so we'll just send them a link to a car.
Right.
So,
That's what we do.
Jose, this is Kyle. I just talked to you. Maybe surprised how handsome I am. Just kidding. I'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow, 7 o'clock. I assure you we're going to do everything we can to buy your vehicle, and I would never ask you to come out here without a reason. 7 o'clock tomorrow, I'm going to send you some stuff in a little bit. Look forward to seeing you. If you can't make it, run it early, late, or you want to come in tonight, just text me back. You got my cell phone. Thank you.
Yeah, I can live with it. That's a problem.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
And then tonight, someone call and confirm it behind him.
Were you trying to say, Slim? Sorry, I thought you had your hand
I
up,
was
sir.
gonna say, I think the reason that phone call worked was because it was intentional and you just wasn't gonna give up on it. I mean,
Right.
Right.
I seen some areas where you lost your footing, but you didn't fall, and you just really wanted to get the end goal of making appointments. That just lets me know that sometimes when they hear the first objection, they like, I don't know what to say, I don't know what to do, and then they like, oh, okay. But no, you kept going, you kept trying to find a creative way to get that customer to the building. You didn't overpromise and underdeliver. You just let them know what you're willing to do for them. You know what I'm saying? So I like that.
Well, I appreciate it. That was a tough call, too. Guy went online, $10,000 less than he wanted or something on a trade pending. Those are usually the coldest ones. So
Yeah, but I won't worry about you losing an appointment. You on camera, so you ain't gonna lose an appointment on camera. So I know you're not gonna lose an appointment.
But I go that hard anyways, though. Even if
Have
it's
you
not
ever lost
again.
one on camera?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm like, listen, you're messing up my video, bro. I'm on film right now, dog.